Being able to try on top-down sweaters as you knit them is really cool. But you need to put your knitting on something longer than your needle first, so you don't lose lots of stitches. If you're using interchangeable circular needles, you can get a nifty cable connector that makes trying on your knitting quick and easy. You use the small connector piece to join multiple cables together. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Remove one of your needle tips. Step 2. Replace it with the cable connector. Screw it on just like a needle tip. Step 3. Get a second circular cable and attach it to the other end of the cable connector. This can be a bit fiddly at first with all the twisting. The other side of the connector can sometimes start to loosen as you add the second cable. So tighten and check both sides are secure. Step 4. Screw on a cap at the end of the cable to stop stitches falling off, but this isn't vital. Step 5. Slide some stitches down the second cable. Spread out your stitches so that your sweater body is full width with spare cable at both sides. You can now safely try on your sweater to your heart's content. To get back to knitting, first gently pull the second cable back out so that all your stitches are back on your original circular. Then just unscrew the cable connector and put your needle tip back on. That's all there is to it. So if you're using interchangeables, it's well worth getting a cable connector. They're cheap and every needle brand does them. I've linked below to a blog post on craftfix.com with more info. Happy knitting!